Hey guys, here's a solution for a natural cleaner that is going to smell great and be really a wonderful kind of all-purpose cleaner, but especially really great for cleaning windows. But it's going to have a nice scent because we're going to use vinegar. I have a cleaning, like an all-purpose cleaning vinegar, white distilled vinegar, and I have about a cup of it in my small glass jar. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of lavender, dried lavender flowers to that. I can give it a little swirl, place a lid on tightly, and then we're going to allow this to set for 10 days, and you can leave it in kind of even a sunny location is going to be good. And then after that, we will take and add 2 cups of water to 1 cup of the scented vinegar. You can strain the vinegar out with a fine mesh sieve, and so 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and you could put it in a spray bottle. That would be the easiest, and then again use that as just an all-purpose cleaner around the kitchen, around the bathrooms, to clean mirrors and windows. It's going to be a really nice streak-free cleaner, and also it's going to smell really great. So that gives that vinegar cleaner a really great smell.